Hello everybody. Today we have something new to try. Larvets Original Worm Snax. Mealworms. And we want to thank the subscriber who sent them to us. They were anonymous, but we have Mexican spice, barbecue, and cheddar cheese. What do you want to try first?
All of them?
Well, here's cheddar cheese.
You don't get none. Bugs are mine. You know that, right?
Here. There's an up close look. And we tried the crickets before and they were really good, so I expect these are going to be good.
How would you know?
Well, I hope so. I would never try bugs raw, slimy and gross, but they seem to be good roasted.
Slimy, but satisfying.
No.
Yeah. Hakuna Matata.
Worms. Definitely really crunchy. Don't have a lot to them. Looks like they're empty shells. Like there's nothing in there. They do taste good.
I crack them up with my fingers where I can eat them.
Oh yeah. Well, they're not hard.
No. But
Until you get your dentures, it'll not so easy.
not that, it's just I can't chew them up because this one side is still all really tender.
Yeah, so if people who don't know, who don't watch our normal videos, he had all his teeth pulled so he can get dentures. So right now he has no teeth. Wait, you want more of those? We have 2 more flavors to try. Jeez.
Almost like popcorn.
Yeah, that's kind of what they taste like, yeah. Do you want to try the Mexican spice or the barbecue? No.
So what you do is you draw a circle on the floor, throw them up in the air. Whatever lands outside the circle is what you try.
Okay. Here, I'll give you barbecue. We'll try the hot one last. Mexican spice. I would expect that to be hot.
Oh yeah?
And in case anybody's wondering, there's only 10 calories for the whole container. And not even a gram of fat, so
Yeah, these last
they're
ones
healthy.
just reminds me of flavored popcorn.
I know we're weird. We eat bugs. And we don't think they're gross. You don't pour it all out.
I wasn't intending it to happen that way.
And here are the barbecue ones. Don't really look any different. Except, I don't know if it'll focus or not, but you can see that guy's head and legs. What do you think?
No, don't eat me.
Yeah. Help, help, don't eat me. Ah, no, ah! I think they're good.
Yeah. The first one that we tried have a little, the flavor seems to be a little stronger.
Yeah. These ones aren't that strong, but they're still good.
Yeah.
We can eat them or put them back in the bag.
I'll eat a whole bunch of them.
So there's more flavor?
Yeah.
Okay, and so what we have left is Mexican spice. We'll try that one. They are definitely really good though. I think they're better than eating chips or things like that because they're not as fattening.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
What's the protein? 2%?
Yeah. Try not to breathe them in though, or you'll cough on them.
Yeah, with the crickets, when you go to eat, when you're chewing on them, their heads are like really hard.
Yeah.
On crickets.
But not on these, right?
No.
Yeah, the crickets seem to have more flavor. They taste like sunflower seeds. These are, like you said, they taste like kind of like popcorn.
Yeah.
Here's these. I mean, they all look exactly the same. Well, I don't know what Mexican spice is supposed to be, but that's not hot.
No.
Not like that Carolina Reaper jerky we ate. That's hot.
That was awesome.
Order some more then.
Had to eat two of them that time to really be able to get the flavor.
Yeah,
of
it
them.
seems like the cheddar cheese ones are the ones with the most flavor.
Yeah.
But they're all good.
Yeah, they're all good, but for the other flavors though, you gotta eat like a few of them to be able to get the flavor though.
Yeah.
But they all taste good.
And they make you cough because they're dry. But on a scale between 1 and 10, what do you think of them?
20.
A 20?
Yeah, reminds me of popcorn.
Yeah, I give them a 10. I think they're good.
Yeah, they are really good. But
So if there's anything else you guys want to see us try, or challenges you want to see us do, go ahead and leave them in the comments. Except no more Carolina Reaper stuff, because that killed me that night. I had full body muscle cramps and everything from all that capsaicin. So if you do get us any more, or suggest any more Carolina Reaper stuff, he can do it.
oh yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, so the crickets remind me of sunflower seeds. These remind me of popcorn.
Yeah.
So they're really good.
Yeah. So don't forget to subscribe if you like this video, and click like and comment and all that kind of thing. And we'll see you either in our regular vlogs or on our next challenge video, whichever you guys like best. Bye.